guys. I know it's been a while, but welcome back to Bryans Thailand. Okay, this is like the last update of the construction. Then there'll be one more video when everything's finished. But with under the circumstances at the moment with the coronavirus, everything's slowed right down, you know. But we're still busy-ish, you know. But anyway, hope you guys are staying safe, you know, and healthy. I hope it doesn't affect you too much. So anyway, let me show you around what we've done so far. Okay, right here, we've just prepared and done the sprinkler system for here. That's the pipe right down there. It's a misting system. That's the pump over there on a timer with a 220 volt solenoid valve. Some of the statues there. The masts that go on the wall. Another one there. The lights for the garden, they're actually going down there. There's two of the baskets that I built. They get filled with stone and the plant iron. So this is rather neat. Now it's all been fixed up and on the wall. I'll show you some photos. I haven't got a lot of photos of like last night when we had the lights on. Look, absolutely amazing. So basically all the hard landscapes been finished, the pathways are put in. You just got to level out a little bit more for the dirt and then get the grass installed. All the sprinkler systems up and running. The steps is in. The dirt's got to be raised a little bit more here. So when you step down, that's going to look rather nice, you know. So got some stonework and some plants to go around where the pop-ups, the maxi pores are. There's two more caged planters up at the top there. You've got to be leveled up and sorted out. So yeah, I've got to clean all this up a bit, get some topsoil put on. So yeah, here's what we had made a few months ago. Yeah, some nice design. So it's all like brown stone and everything that go in here filled up, and there's a light that goes inside here, so lights through the stone, and then you've got a nice fern planter here. The same on that one over there. Right, along here, I'll show you. It looks nice and clean here now. Only one guy working today, that's the painter. Just doing the touch-ups, final touch-ups. Right, so we've got 3 storage tanks here. 1,650 litres per tank. The 1-inch feed in, the 2-inch feed out, and this is the 2-inch feed for the irrigation. Now also you just fill one tank and all tanks fill up at the same time. Okay, in here, this is the irrigation pump. This is the feed in, that's the feed out. This is the house pump, and this is the controller for the sprinkler system, which I just finished working. We actually use a Hunter system. This is only a 2-zone. 2 zones more than enough. So if I actually, right, and that's the time. So if I put on manual for zone 1 for 3 minutes, straight up, and I'll show you how the pop-ups work. It's quite common in America, this system. You've got 2 systems that I know of, and that's Hunter and Rainbird. There you go. This is on zone 1. You've got zone 2 over there. There's only 2 pop-ups for zone 2, but that is more than enough to cover the grass areas. Yeah. And basically, you've got 2 settings, how much you want it to turn, left or right. And as you can see, it just turns to go short and then along. It's pretty much the same as what I set up for Gordon in Shanghai, but he's got much bigger ones to cover a bigger area, you know. So that's it there. And you see the cover quite well, but we don't want any water touching the house. So we've got one down there, one there, and 3 here. We've got zone 2, one over there and one up there. Okay, so the pool done nicely. So let me show you inside. Obviously dining table, dining lights, absolutely beautiful then. Okay, kitchen. So all the splashback tiles been put on, the extractor, that's all done, counter, sink, everything's finished. The little wine fridge, your oven, your microwave, and a big American style fridge, freezer with double drawer freezer. So there's plenty of storage in there. I'll have to tape it up. So we've got the cleaners coming in this week to give everything cleaned down as soon as the painter's finished. He's got 2 more days in here. So, and this is the, I'll show you all the lights in. There's like lights at the top there, you can't really see them, but they do give off nice light. For the bathroom. So you got a big mirror. And a nice size shower area with the rain shower. Floating toilet. So number 1, number 2, nice bath. It's all done. Again, the cleaners will be coming to give everything a good clean. Got a little jewellery drawer here. Oh no. It's all felted. There's actually a light in there. When you pull a drawer up, the light comes on. But yeah. What do you think, guys? I mean, it's only just some people's taste, but it's okay for this style. I've got teak sills for the windows. There's all the markings. Okay, to paint again because it's only had the base coat on. Right, now I'll show you in the control room. What you see, a hot water tank. This is your cold water feed and your hot water outlet. You got your 3-phase electric, CCTV system and alarm system up there. So a nice neat job there. This is just a temporary supply on a single phase. Sorry about that, got interrupted. Anyway, so this is the joining bathroom with a big shower. Great finish work, again with the rain shower. Single hand basin, again floating toilet and a big mirror. Makes the place look much bigger anyway. But these are nice sized bathrooms. Okay, into the second bedroom. I should really turn my phone up when I'm doing videos. Again, with a walk-in closet. I need to lose some weight. And again, same as the master bedroom type shower doors. So anyway, it's going to be a bit of a strange time now. I'm in here in Thailand, right across the world really. People are, I don't know what video about. I've always done videos about construction and that, or something of that ilk. So I'm thinking what next to do. I mean, this house is finished and there's like obviously more, but everything's been slowed right down. So I don't know what sort of other videos you would really be interested in to do with Thailand, you know. Leave a comment in below if there's any suggestions, you know. I'm heading off into Shanghai for 3 months, but I will be popping back from time to time when it's possible. So I'm actually leaving today to do a project up there. It's another build. It's actually a takeover build for an American guy up there to oversee that getting done. So I'll explain more about that later. So anyway guys, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye for now guys, bye.